GMA Pictures is very honored to team up with a group of Ella Arcangel. An animated motion picture for 2026. We're very eager to do this because we want to celebrate the creativity, the artistry, and the culture of the Filipino. So, thank you very much. That's our announcement. And I hope na subaybayan natin, abangan natin ito.
The producers, Sir Manny Angeles and Abby, go ahead.
Masaya kami, obvious naman, para makasama ang isang broadcasting powerhouse ng GMA Pictures who will walk alongside us dito sa pagtatapos ng Ella Arcangel awit ng Pakilang Tubo. Mga 4 na taon na namin ito sinisimulan. So magandang suporta at pressure na makasama ang GMA Pictures para matapos namin ang pelikula at may palabas sa inyo this 2026.